an Afro-American of African heritage, native to messages told in hip-hop narrative, daughter of Harlem, Dunbar, Du Bois, and Hughes, who speaks Negro spirituals on tracks with rhythm and blues. Don't check for me in slums, better check the news. My reparations check bounced back thanks to stimulus dues. I spread pivotal wings on me, the freedom of the people rings and rides. The faces of Rushmore have eroded with time. To the mountaintop we rock climbed and rolled the landslide. Revolution of the vote televised worldwide. The watcher's eye on the dreams prize, a witness to hope, a tribute to those waded in the water from the master's boat. Motown Philly soul notes that floats coast to coast, earned the super superlative so hard they call me the most. Cross the burning sands, travel the railroad underground, through the barbed wire and middle passage renowned. The lost last poet, but now I'm found, no longer a woman of Brewster's Place, cause the wall is down. I'm the eye of the tiger, the dark horse and soul survivor, with the spirit of Zora Neale and Emmett Till as personal ghostwriters. I am outside the box of genre and class, the X Factor descendant lost kin of King and Shabazz. 106 and parked on greener pastures grass. The world's already got her free, but I'm free at last. I am.